As a landscape designer for the past 30 years, I have the privilege of helping my clients envision that perfect outdoor living space. When I think about the products that I'm going to choose, they have to have the durability, the functionality, and the aesthetics for that outdoor space. And for me, a natural choice is DCS. When I look at the design just based here on the hood and lifting this up just with ease at 90 degrees because of these spring-loaded hinges, it's amazing the open space now that I have, and even in the evening, the stadium lights that allow me to illuminate my space. When I turn on the dial to start the burner, it goes orange. And if you're like me and you forget and you walk away, you can still see that the orange light is on. Get back, turn it off. But the grill that's set up here now, I can actually double this up to do so much more. So putting in this lower grate, I can put in an upper secondary grate, so from cooking to keeping things warm. Maybe I want to use for baking bread in this pan. I can actually put it here or raise it up just a little bit higher if I want to not so direct heat. One of the things that I absolutely love doing myself is smoking food. This tray right here that has this engineered design lid, I can take the W tray, fill it full of wood chips, place the lid back over top. The actual burner is keeping things ignited, but so as I don't burn out the smoker too quickly, I actually have this little vent that controls how much actually it speeds up and uses. And I can put in lump charcoal, and if I want to start grilling steaks, because there's nothing that tastes better than that infused lump charcoal smoky taste in your steaks that you're grilling here. So the versatility that this gives me is absolutely amazing. When you think about it, whether you're a professional chef, whether you're like me and just absolutely love to grill, I have now the repertoire of lump charcoal, smoking. I can even bake bread in this pan if I want to, grilling. It's all here under one roof. I've got secondary cooking areas. I've got the grill for natural gas, and 304 stainless steel grates are absolutely amazing. In this particular way that I have it laid out, it catches the grease, it takes it away into the drip pan. But let's say I'm doing seafood, shrimp skewers for example, and I don't want them sitting in the fat. I flip these over and I have another surface area. So all I have to do is flip all of these over continuously, and now I'm doing all my shrimp skewers. And when they're done, up in the secondary tray. But even take it one more step further, something that I absolutely used to love when my dad used to put, chicken on a rotisserie. I can bring out this under the drip pan. I can put on stainless steel spikes, set it into that motor housing, and at nighttime, I can illuminate that as well. I've got 18,000 BTU on the infrared burners, cooking this, searing this. I got 25,000 BTU on the burners, anywhere that I want. So whether I'm grilling with lump charcoal, whether I'm grilling with natural gas, it's got everything all I want. When you think about it, Series 9 grill embodies the heritage of many appliances all rolled into one. That's why it's JustAskDave approved.